Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I've got some chicken that I cooked up for the week, so I'm going to take some of this out and I'm going to make like a chicken taco out of it. But I'm going to use some fresh onion. I'm going to heat up my pan, start that going. In the refrigerator in my 4-in-1 Tupperware maker, I've got yellow rice, and I just followed the instructions on the back and stuck it in there for 22 minutes, something like that. All right, so before I get going on this, I want to get my stuff prepped up. So first, cut up an onion. So in my fridge marts, I had in my fridge for well over 2 weeks is a red pepper and a green pepper. I don't need the whole thing, so I'm just going to cut them in half and leave the seeds in. And they're still crunchy. There's a little icky spot there, so that I'm going to cut out. But that's not from the fridge mart, that's from the pepper itself. So I got cut out some no-heat jalapenos, and I'm going to grab 2 of those because they got really good flavor. And then I'm going to put these 2 in with the other one. All clean, and I made sure that the whites in there were cleaned out, even on the bells, because it will leave it yucky tasting. So let's turn our pan on. I cook on a medium-high heat because that's how I roll. This is 2 tablespoons of real butter, unsalted. And I have some olive oil here. And I got some garlic. Oh, this is gonna be yummy. All right, so let's get these chopped up while we're waiting that pan to heat up. Enough to add a little bit of olive oil, around about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. The butter. Yes, hear that? That's what you want. We're going to let that all incorporate and melt together. We're finished cutting up the peppers and be ready to rock and roll. See how that is? Sorry, the microwave's working, so we're going to add our onions, then add what peppers we got in there already. I am going to sprinkle, instead of salt and pepper, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of taco seasoning on it for flavoring. Okay, we're going to let that cook down a little bit. I got all the rest of the little pepper chopped up. And now I'm going to put in some garlic. You know me, I like a lot of garlic, so put in as much as I can in the press. I got some of the spicy taco seasoning. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. Not like that much in there. No more, because husband don't like it really spicy. Now I've got some of my leftover chicken that I cooked in the slow cooker. That was Sunday's video. I'm going to start adding that in here. Throw some more just regular taco seasoning on the top. And voila, I'm going to add a little bit of roasted chicken base in there, just for extra flavor. About that much. Incorporate that in. And the vegetables will give off enough water in there to really enhance that flavor in there. I don't want to break it off, so stirring it lightly. Wish there was smell-o-vision. I definitely say this is more like a chicken fajita, but a taco chicken one. Because it's not fajita. It's not fajita seasoning, it's just taco seasoning. Put the lid on it and let it simmer for a minute. A couple of minutes. I'd say it's all done, heated up through, looks perfect to me. Looks good to me. Turn the heat down a little. Push it aside. I'm going to take my flour tortilla, heat it up a little. I just stick them right on there like that. And I keep turning them. Turn the heat down just a little. And you'll see where it starts to cook up because it starts to bubble a little. See how it's bubbling there? And it's okay if it gets a little charred, it gives it flavor. I'm telling you, it's really good this way. I'm gonna bump down the heat just a little because I want the center cooked a little bit more. It's perfect. Do the next ones, and then I'll plate. Chicken on it. A little bit of cheese. I like to put fresh mozzarella on mine. That's kind of get. Shred some on mine. That's how I do it. Kind of roll it up and make another one. Like so, how it is. Like so. Kind of lay it flat a little, and that's how it looks. There we go. I nuked it for a few minutes till the cheese got good and melty. Put his rice on there. And the salsa. And voila. Isn't it pretty? Right. That's how easy it is to make chicken tacos. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a special recipe that you make with the chicken tacos, leave the recipe in the link below. And thank you for watching. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.